This is my favorite of all summer. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to lay your towel out as so, and you're going to bring both sides in to about the middle. Okay, you just want this one to overlap a little. Okay, so we're like this. Okay.
Here we go.
Need a bigger table.
This is going to help me declutter, right?
Yes. Okay, then you're going to bring one end up about here. Okay, about with hands. Then you're going to put your goods in like this. Like I've got my swimming costume. Yeah, and or it could be a change of clothes, shirt, shorts, something like that. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take the other end. You're going to roll it up. Tight, 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 tight,
It's like
tight.
wrapping a present.
It is. And then what you do is watch this. It slips into the end here.
So it is a little present.
Into the end, and I should have done a little bit tighter, and then it becomes a
that's
bag,
lovely.
and you take it to the beach.
Thank you so much.
And then you can
go,
put your
Chris.
safe space. And also, what I like to do is, if you've got a family, for example, you've got kids in the house, okay, you can separate the towels, so it's adult towels or kids' towels, quite easily this way. So you do it in half. Then you're going to bring in this way. So you bring in one corner to the side, just over the middle, and the other one to the other side. Now you're going to do a little flip.
It's like origami.
It is. It feels good too. And pull it down a little bit.
Okay.
Then you're going to use tight hands.
Rolling.
Start rolling, and you'll see there's a little triangle here.
Yeah.
Little tuck going in.
I mean, that looks like
How fun is that?
on a hotel bed. It's glorious.
How fun
Thank
is
you.
that?
I'm doing this at home.